Tired of clunky payment processes driving customers away from your WordPress site? Let's seamlessly integrate Stripe into your WordPress website, transforming your checkout into a smooth, secure experience first. Log into your WordPress dashboard, the command center for your website. Navigate to Plugins and click on Add New. This is where we'll find and install the Stripe plugin. In the search bar, type Stripe. Several plugins will appear, allowing you to use Stripe in WordPress. Look for a plugin that suits your needs, considering factors like ratings, reviews, and compatibility with your version of WordPress. For WooCommerce, the WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway is a great option. Click Install Now, and once it's installed, click Activate. This will enable the plugin on your website. Now navigate to the Plugins Settings page. This is usually found under WooCommerce Settings and then the Payments tab or something similar, depending on the plugin you choose. Find the Stripe Payment Gateway and enable it, then click on Manage or Set Up to configure your Stripe settings. Here, you'll need to enter your Stripe API keys. You can find these in your Stripe dashboard. Make sure to use your Live keys for accepting real payments and Test keys for testing. Configure any other settings like accepted card types, payment request buttons, and your webhook settings to receive transaction data. Save your changes. Finally, perform a test transaction to make sure everything is working correctly. Use a Stripe test card number, and that's it. You've successfully integrated Stripe into your WordPress website.